Hello, I'm in a 2012 Dodge Avenger, and today I'm going to show you how to use your cruise control. So while you're driving, say you get to like a 50 miles per hour, you want to maintain, you can turn on the actual cruise control with this button, and then you'll see on the dash as well, it's to say cruise here. That's when the cruise control is turned on, so you'll be able to activate it. And then while you're at whatever speed you want it to hold, you can use these to set it. And then you can adjust up or down slightly as you're going for the speed, but pretty much you'll at the speed you want, just press and hold. And then sometimes it takes a few tries to test your system to get it to work the way you want it, but this would be the way you want it to hold. And then let's say you want to turn off the current save that you made, so that 50 miles per hour, you don't want that to be the speed you want, you can cancel it with this, but that doesn't turn off your cruise control, so you'll still be able to say you get to the 55 miles per hour and then set it to that with these buttons. When you're completely done with the cruise control, you can just turn it on and off again with this, and as you can see, it turned off up here, on again, off, on, all from this button. But I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.